Welcome to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome back to all my fellow creative friends. Let's dive into day number 16 for Junk Journal July. Today's prompt is petals. I first thought about pressed flower petals and decided to go with this little, I think it's a fuchsia or something. I don't know, I have pressed it quite a while ago. I brought it from one of my travels, but I really like the shape of this flower, and I also did get out some rose petals that I have pressed in the beginning of this year, so I wanted to see if I could incorporate both of those petals and flowers into today's journaling spread, but in the end I did go with the a little bit more special, just because the shape is so interesting, and I always think this kind of flowers looks like a little person, so it was just fitting to turn this flower petal into a little person standing there on the page. And then I just had some fun with it and did draw some legs for the little guy, as well as a little top hat, and created a scene around him to give him a place to live in my journal. I think this spread turned out so super cute. I'm really happy with the result of today's Junk Journal July spread, and I'm really happy that I finally took the time and the face to get myself to participate in this challenge. I'm kind of always watching those videos for a few years now. Like I think the last 2 years or something, I have watched all the videos and always checked in on Mac Journal's videos throughout July and sometimes in January, and I always love to see the process, and it's so inspiring. But I never found the courage to tackle such a big challenge, and I'm really happy that I finally found the time and took the leap and decided to do this challenge, because it is really inspiring, and I'm really happy with all my pages so far. Just taking some time out of the day to be creative is really therapeutic for me. And to have the challenge to hold myself accountable to do it daily is really helpful. So I'm really happy that I'm taking part in the challenge, and it's so much fun. How's your Junk Journal July going? How's your experience? Is it your first year like mine, or did you participate in Junk Journal July or Junk Journal January beforehand? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Here I'm creating the second curtain panel for this little stage I created for the little flower guy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, happy junk journaling.